Hey guys, it's YoungmindHS here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a .deb file onto Ubuntu. Now all the commands we're going to be using for this video is over here in the document, so if you want to pause the video and take a look at them, you can. Now the first thing you need to do is tell Ubuntu terminal where the file is. So mine is in the downloads, so we're going to do cd and then downloads. If you're wondering what CD means, it means change directory, and then obviously change directory to downloads. So now it's pointing in the downloads folder. So then we want to go to our command here and copy it out. So sudo dpkg I, then the package name, which is Exodus, and then .deb. And then we're going to hit install for that, and we're going to type in our password. And this will begin to unpack it and basically install it for us. So now you can see that's installed. If I go to my applications, it should pop up here. There we go. Now if you were wanting to get rid of this, it's basically the same process. So what you type is sudo dpkg, but then instead of an I, you do an R for remove, and then we type Exodus, and we drop the .deb, because we're just talking about the package, we're not talking about the installer. Then you press that, and now if we go to look at our applications again, no more Exodus. And then if you wanted to change your mind and reinstall it again, all you need to do is run sudo dpkg I exodus .deb, and then it'll install it again. So this is a very useful way it's a very useful thing to learn so that you can install .deb files and remove them. So guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If it helped you out, a like and subscribe means the world to me and it goes a huge way. But anyway guys, till next time, I'll see you soon.